Hi there, students! I hope you're all safe and doing great today. I'm Teacher Edmark, your English teacher, and I've prepared a special video lesson just for you. Today, we're going to learn something important that will help you become more confident in both speaking and writing in English. So listen carefully, take notes if you can, and most of all, enjoy learning at your own pace. Let's get started. Today's topic is all about present simple tense. Now let's take a look at these set of sentences. So let's figure this out. So we have here two sets of sentences. It's a group of sentences placed in yellow box and another group of sentences that are placed in the green box. So let me read you these sentences. Number one, I like chocolates. Mom and Dad like chocolates. They like chocolates. Now let's have the green box. He likes chocolates. Jessica likes chocolates. Mom likes chocolates. Now, let's take a closer look at the word like. So if you're going to observe it, in the first set of sentences, the word like does not have an S at the end. And on the other hand, the word like does have an S at the end on the second set of sentences, and it becomes likes. So, do you know why there's a difference? Okay, so this is the thing that we are going to figure out. So here is the reason. So in simple present tense, verbs change depending on the subject, the person or thing doing the action. So for most subjects, like we, they, including I and you, we use the base form of the verb. So when you say base form of the verb, ito yung verb na wala pang na-add or nabago. So wala siyang S, base form yan. So we say I like, you like, we like, they like. So these are the plural subjects or pronouns like I and you, which don't need any change in the verb. Okay. So remember, kapag base form ang ating verb pag walang S, dahil yun sa subject niya na plural. So maybe you're thinking kung bakit ang words na I and you ay kasama sa plural. When you say I, ibig sabihin ikaw, which is nag-iisa ka, and that's singular, isang tao, pero bakit kasama siya sa plural? Okay, I will tell you why. So the words I and you are special pronouns. Special pronouns kasi ang words na I and you sa English grammar. So kahit nang meaning nila ay isang tao lamang, which is singular, but kasama sila sa plural nouns or plural subjects, plural pronouns. So even though they mean one person, they act like plural subjects in grammar. That means we do not add S to the verb. So this is just a special rule in English grammar. So instead na sabihin natin na I eats, you plays, we say I eat, you play. Walang S. Okay? On the other hand, kapag singular subject naman ang ating pinag-uusapan tulad ng he, she, it, or a name ng isang tao, we will put S or we will add S to the verb tulad ng he likes, she likes, it likes, Jessica likes, my mom likes. So in the simple present tense, when the subject is a singular third person like he, she, it, or any name, we add S or sometimes ES to the verb. So hindi lang S ang dinadagdag natin, sometimes yung verb kailangan din ng ES. So we will discuss more about this. So let's have More examples. So we have here two sets of examples. Isang plural subject at isang singular subject. So dito muna tayo sa plural subjects. So ang ating mga subjects dito ay ito, I, Kara and Mina. So that's two people. I, kangaroos, lions, doctors, and babies. So mapapansin nyo, ang mga verb na katabi niya ay walang S or ES. So we say, I go to school every day. Samantalang dito sa singular subject, isa lang ang ating pinag-uusapan. Ang kanilang verb ay may kasamang S or ES. So ito, he goes to school every day. So may ES lang dinagdag kasi isa lang naman yung subject natin, which is he. So Kara and Mina clean their room every week. So dalawang tao, si Kara and Mina. So ang verb natin walang S. Kara cleans. So Kara is singular, isang tao lang siya. So dadagdagan natin ng S ang verb. So we say Kara cleans her room every week. I have a lot of homework. So I is a plural pronoun. So we say I, plural subject siya. So we use the word have. A lot of homework. She is singular, so we use the word has. A lot of homework. So remember, kapag plural ang subject, we will use have. Kapag singular, we will use has. So halimbawa, we say we. So we say we have, they have, my mom and dad have. Samantala, we use the word has for singular. So she has, he has, it has, my mom has, my friend has. So remember that, okay? Have for plural and has for singular. Okay, next we have kangaroos, may S. So plural siya, so walang S ang ating verb. Kangaroos jump on the fence. Ang fence ay backward. A kangaroo, that's only one. We will add S, jumps on the fence. The lions, may S. Ang verb walang S. The lions roar. A lion, isa lang. So ang verb may S. A lion roars. The doctors, plural form. The verb without S. The doctors cure the patients. The doctor cures the patients. Next, we have here the word baby. So, ang plural form ng baby ay babies. So, remember, kapag nagtatapos sa letter Y, ang ating noun, tas plural form, papalitan natin ng letter I, yung Y, magiging I, then dadagdagan natin ng ES, babies, marami. And our verb, walang S or ES or IES, so we say cry, babies cry. Kabaliktaran naman ito, yung singular subject. So dito naman, we have singular subject, baby. So yung cry na verb kanina, papalitan naman natin yung Y niya ng IES. So parang nagbaliktaran lang siya. So remember that. Okay, so ganyan yung mga rules. Kung nagtatapos sa O, dadagdagan natin ng ES. Sa mga consonants naman, we just add S. Ito na yan talaga, has yan. May S, may S, may S. Ito naman, pag natatapos sa letter Y yung verb, we will change the letter Y to I plus ES, cries. Ano pa ba yung mga verbs na may Y? Tulad ng, let's say, cries. Yung die kasi, mayroon lang siyang E, so S na lang idadagdag doon. We could say, oh, by the way, when you say lay, this is a verb. Yung chickens lay eggs. So, ito naman, since even though Y siya, pero kasi vowel yung kasunod or yung letter before the letter Y, we will just add S, lace. Okay, so another example, let me type it. Let's say chicken, I'm sorry, let's say chicken, this is plural, chickens lay eggs. Okay, here for singular, we say chicken, or let's say a chicken. So minsan dinadagdagan natin ng article A to emphasize singularity. A chicken lays egg. weeks. So mapapansin nyo here na ito, dinagdagan natin ng S. So bakit S lang, hindi IES? Kasi nga, ang letter bago mag-letter Y ay isang vowel. So pag vowel yan, ang idadagdag lang natin ay S. Pero kapag ito ay consonant, tulad nito, consonant yung R, so yung Y, papalitan natin ng IES. Okay? So ayan lang yung tatandaan nyo. Pag singular ang ating subject, may S, ES, or IES ang verb. Pero kapag plural subject naman, walang S sa lahat. Okay? Ayan. That's the thing that you have to remember. Okay, next. So, kailan nga ba natin ginagamit ang present simple tense? So, we use the present simple tense for routines. Pag sinabing routines, ito yung mga bagay na paulit-ulit natin ginagawa everyday. Tulad ng wake up early in the morning. Okay, pagising sa umaga, brush our teeth, eating, going to school. Okay, kasama rin ang facts and general truths. Ibig sabihin mga bagay na totoo. Okay? Now, we have examples. Number 1, I read a book every night. So, isang routine na ginagawa mo every night. Nagbabasa ka ng libro bago matulog. So, that's a routine. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. So, water is our subject here. Boils is our verb. May S siya. Kasi ang water is considered as singular subject. So the earth, yan, isa lang ang earth, so it's singular. The earth revolves around the sun. So the word revolves, may S, ito yung verb natin. Okay, next. So how to use it for positive structure? So ito nga palang structure natin na susundin when we are creating a simple sentence. We have the subject, ay mga subjects yan. We have the verb, or pandiwa in Tagalog, and we have the direct object, lunch. Direct object, ito yung tumatanggap ng action. Okay, so we have I eat lunch, you eat lunch, we eat lunch, they eat lunch. Alright, so walang S ang ating verb. Itong mga plural subjects. Next, for positive structure, for singular subjects, we have he eats lunch, she eats lunch, it eats lunch. May S ang ating verb. Okay? Kasi singular lang sila. Okay, next. So, ito yung ating wrap up. So, the verb is used in its base form for the subjects I, you, we, they, plural. May base form lang ang gamit ng verb, walang S. So, the verb takes an S, dinagdagan ng S, ES, or IES ang verb kapag ang subject nyo ay singular. Examples, I eat dinner, watch TV, and study math after school. He eats dinner, watches TV, and studies math after school. Paano naman sa negative structures? Pag negative structure, ito yung mga words na may not. So, ito yung subject, plural subject, helping verb. So, it's a combination of two words. It's do and not. So, pag pinag-combine siya, we contracted, tinanggal natin yung O, pinalitan natin ng apostrophe. So we say don't. The main verb is the word eat and direct object lunch. So we say I don't eat lunch. You don't eat lunch. We don't eat lunch. They don't eat lunch. So for helping verb natin ang don't. Okay, for singular negative structure naman, so these are singular. So itong ang helping verb natin, ang dadagdagan natin ng ES, hindi yung main verb. Okay? Pag negative. So we say, he doesn't eat lunch. She doesn't eat lunch. It doesn't eat lunch. Alright, so remember, helping verb ang dadagdagan ng ES. So yung plural nito ay do. Ang singular, ito yung do. Ayan. Ang singular niya ay does. But it's negative, so we say does not or doesn't. Remember, sa negative structure, ang dadagdagan ng ES or S sa ating Sa ating singular subject ay ang helping verb lamang. Okay. So mapapansin nyo nga, ayan ito. Okay, here. So mapapansin nyo dito sa ating wrap-up, ang ating example, I don't like broccoli or broccoli. So I is our plural subject. Gumamit siya ng do, negative, so magiging don't. My sister singular doesn't like it either. So mapapansin nyo here na ang main verb na like ay walang dinagdag or nabago, parehong base form. So dito lang kayo mag-focus kapag negative. Okay, negative statement. So pag positive, so we can say, I do like broccoli or broccoli. Broccoli. Okay, so that's, I do like broccoli. Gusto ko ang broccoli. Next, we can say, she does like broccoli. Oh yeah, we can say, my sister does like broccoli. So yeah, same one. Okay. My sister does like broccoli. So pag positive naman, you can say does like broccoli. So ito ang main verb. So for question structure, the same thing. So we have do, I eat lunch. Do you eat lunch? Do we eat lunch? Do they eat lunch? So for question, singular subject, we say does he eat lunch? Does she eat lunch? Does it eat lunch? Okay, so mapapansin nyo, dito lang tayo mag-focus sa do and does. Yung main verb natin, walang nadagdag sa both plural and singular subjects. Okay, so yeah, we have here examples. Do you speak German? So do's, plural. You, plural. Do you? Singular, does she speak German? Now, let's apply what you have learned in this lesson. Here's our instructions. Read each sentence carefully and choose the correct verb to complete it. Number 1. She eats breakfast every morning. You'll be given 10 seconds to choose the answer. The correct answer is eats, because we only have a singular subject, which is she. So we say, she eats breakfast every morning. Number 2, they plays basketball every weekends. So what do you think? The correct answer is play. We say they play basketball every weekends because they is so our verb play. They play basketball. Number 3, my brother likes to draw. The correct answer is my brother likes to draw. So brother is singular, so our verb will take the letter S at the end, so we say likes. Number 4, we goes to school by bus. Remember, we is plural. The correct answer is go. We go to school by bus. Last one, number 5. It rains a lot in July. The correct answer is rains. It rains a lot in July. So it is a So in your English notebook, I want you to fill in the blanks, use the correct form of the verb in parentheses. So copy the sentences and write your answers in your English notebook.